Welcome to American Academy of Estate Planning Attorneys. Today's topic, finding the right type of lawyer advertising. For a lawyer, advertising can be complicated. Attorneys are required to comply with the requirements of the state bar that they belong to. Every state bar has its own set of rules and regulations, and many of these regulations extend to restrict the manner in which attorneys can advertise their practice. Attorneys who are not careful with how they advertise sometimes fall out of compliance with their state bar and become subject to penalties. But just because lawyer advertising is regulated does not mean that attorneys should altogether neglect an advertising campaign. Without advertising, law firms commonly fail to bring in clients. And without clients, even the smartest and most skilled attorneys have no way of practicing their craft. Every attorney needs to focus some attention on lawyer marketing in order to succeed at his or her practice. Advertising creates the image of a firm. Most of the general public comes to know a law firm based on the type of advertising that the firm engages in. Those firms that air television commercials on daytime television often become the laughingstock of their community. On the other hand, the public often fails to recognize that a firm even exists due to a lack of lawyer advertising. Walking the line between not enough advertising and the wrong kind of advertising is a difficult task. When developing an advertising campaign, attorneys must be mindful of the image they portray. People want a firm they can trust, and many times customers make this decision based on the image created by the lawyer advertising campaign. As such, attorneys who are creative, not only in how they practice law, but also in how they market their practice, are almost always the most successful. There is assistance available for lawyer advertising. Many attorneys are simply unaware of how to develop an advertising campaign. This in no way reflects a lack of intelligence. Rather, it is a reflection of the fact that law firms simply overlook the importance of advertising and marketing in their law school curriculums. Attorneys in training spend countless hours studying the intricacies of the law, but devote almost no time to understanding how to market their practice. Attorneys must be resourceful if they want to successfully market their practice. This involves recruiting the assistance of an agency that is highly skilled in not only marketing, but in lawyer advertising. Law firms are a unique way of business, and lawyers must find a marketing agency that is adept in lawyer advertising. Even the best general business marketing group may be clueless when it comes to lawyer advertising. Attorneys should look for a marketing group that not only specializes in law firms, but in the type of law that the attorney specializes in. Doing so will ensure that the attorney finds a marketing group that speaks their language and is able to convey the appropriate message to the attorney's target audience. There are such marketing groups out there, and attorneys have much to gain from seeking out their assistance. To find out more information on topics like this, please go to www.aaepa.com.